Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Wednesday, February 19th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a piece of cloth we use to dry our body after washing. Number 2 is easy. It's a month. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The towel is white. The towel is white. Towel. We use a towel to dry our body and the dishes. Now we can make a flashcard for towel. Please write towel up here in the top left corner. T-O-W-E-L. Down here in the bottom left corner, B-A-T-H. 1. This means bathroom, level 1. Over here the number 19 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Towel. Towel. What about you? Do you use a towel every day? What color is it? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob's birthday is in January. Bob's birthday is in January. January. His birthday is in the first month of the year. What about you? Is your birthday in January? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's make a card for January. We always write January with a big J, like Jennifer. Please write January up here in the top left corner. January. Down here the category, month, 1. And over here the number 5 out of 12. Do you know all 12? Very good. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Jan. U-A-R-Y. January. Game over. That was fun. You did really well today. How do you dry your body after a shower? Towel. Very good. And the first month is January. If you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1 is something you learn at school. Number 2 means to have many, many parts. And number 3 is the opposite of weekly. The missing letters are J, M, and R. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side.